What's up, Peak Timers? Phil here from Peak Time Racing. Today we've got Mystery Models 3, and as you can see, I have them all kind of scattered just right out here. I've completely just mixed them up, so I don't know which one's which, and we're gonna go ahead and just open them up one by one and see what we can find inside. Make yourself an official Peak Timer by hitting that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn those notifications on so you don't miss an upcoming video. We've got all 12 here, Mystery Models 3 2019, so let's go ahead and get started here. First one, we have, what is this one? I don't know because we gotta open it. All right, here we go. First one that we have is Bruiser. There it is, Bruiser. And this one will tell us all the cars that we're looking for today. So the Mazda Ware, the Mazda Fiore. Wow, that would be interesting if we had the Pagani Fiore. The Datsun's the chase variation of it. There's the Mustang, which is going to be really cool. We got some other ones that are really neat. So first one that we just opened up is the Bruiser. There it is. Very nice looking casting. This one's a very matte finish to it, and it looks like a demolition derby car. That's pretty much what it's made for. So there's our first one. We'll put that one aside, and let's go ahead and get to the next one here. We're going to have packages everywhere here in a second. Let's go ahead and pop this one open. And this one is Torque Twister. There we go, Torque Twister. Torque Twister, very glossy finish. Ooh, I like this actually. I like the pink color on this and the glossy finish to this one. That one's pretty interesting. Pretty neat. Awesome color, love it, love it. All right, we'll put that one aside and let's get to the back one here. One of these is the Datsun, the Mustang I'm looking forward to, and the Mazda. This one is Loop Coupe. There is Loop Coupe right there. Nice white finish to it. The big wang on there. Hot Wheels logo on the side. It's kind of a rustic look to it. It's kind of meant how it's supposed to be. So we got that one there. We'll put that one aside. We'll grab this one right down here. And some of these are easier to open than others. There we go. This one I guess I'm opening from the bottom. And this one is Skydome. There is Skydome. And Skydome, we just see that we do have this kind of removable type of roof on there. I guess, how far up does it come? Okay, it comes all the way up just like that. Wow. Okay, that's very interesting. The nice two-seater coupe you can see inside of there. And then from the front end, it's kind of got some weirdness to it. I don't know if this thing comes up or not. Maybe not. Okay, maybe you guys will comment. Sometimes you guys comment, you're like, hey, did you know the door opened? I'm like, what? Did it? And then I go back and I'm like, whoa, that's cool. All right, we'll put those ones aside there. We'll grab this one right down here. And what do we have on this one? And this one is the Volkswagen Caddy. This was actually a pretty popular one as well. Volkswagen Caddy, number 5, and it's got the number 5 right on the side. It almost looks like a Zamac car. It does. It's very Zamac finish to it. I don't know if it's supposed to be a Zamac. Maybe it is. It's a pretty cool one, though. Not a big VW fan, but that's okay. Good to have for the collection. I'm just grabbing ones at random here. All right, what do we have here? We've got the Twinduction. Twinduction. There is Twinduction. Twinduction with a nice looking color there. And then it's got, I guess it's supposed to have some sort of weird, like, engine or something. I don't know what the purpose of Twinduction is, but it looks pretty neat. It looks very, like, muscle car-y. Not bad, not bad. All right, we'll put Twinduction aside. Grab this one on top right here. And this one is Formula Flashback. There is Formula Flashback. Obviously, it's supposed to be some sort of Formula 1 car. Flashback, assuming because it's a throwback to maybe like the 60s, 70s Formula 1 cars. Maybe because it looks kind of similar to the ones around the 70s or so. It's got the little guy inside of there in white there. All right, Formula Flashback. Let's grab this one on top here. And, oh, there's the Datsun. There we go. We got the Datsun 510. There is your chase piece for this one. The Datsun 510 Wagon. Very cool. The one that all these scalpers love to grab and resell. We got it. There we go. We got it. We found, like I said, guys, if you watched my peg hunting haul video, I told you guys that I got all these in one shot, so I was pretty happy to find all of them in one shot. All right, what do you have here? There we go. La Fasta. La Fasta. There is La Fasta. There we go. La Fasta. Different colored wheels in the front and back. This almost looks like a Pantera. Ooh, dropping La Fasta. If you guys know what the Pantera is, it kind of looks very similar to a Pantera. It's pretty cool. I like that one, actually. All right, we'll put that one aside. What do we have here? Still waiting for the Mustang and the Mazda. They're somewhere in here. Oh, I guess those will be the last two. And this one is Formula Street. Formula Street. Ooh, I like the yellow color to it. You guys know how much I love yellow. Formula Street. Ooh, it's so bright. My camera can barely handle the brightness of it. It's like almost highlighter yellow. Very, very cool. I like the color. The casting's okay. It's kind of Formula 1 futuristic casting. Formula Street. All right, put Formula Street aside. And this has got to be either the Mustang or the Fury. It is the Fury. There we go. Mazda Fury right there. And let's have a look at the Fury. Different colored wheels. White wheels in the back, and then the gold ones in the front. And it's kind of like a matte gold finish to the Mazda Fury. I like it. This casting's so cool. And if you guys don't know the history of this car in real life, it was like a concept car made by Mazda, and it burnt to the ground, so it no longer exists. They only made one of them, and it burnt crisp to the ground. But Hot Wheels has a license to it, and they love to make different color variations of it. We've seen many color variations of the Mazda Fury, or Mazda is my fellow Americans like to call it. I call it Mazda, they call it Mazda. All right, this gotta be the Mustang. Gotta be the Mustang. Is this not? Oh, it is. It is. Oh, for a second, I thought, like, no, it's not the Mustang. And I was like, oh, okay, it is. It is. There it is. 69 Ford Mustang Boss 302. Put that aside. Let's check out the Boss 302. So rustic looking. It's kind of like a satin matte finish paint job on there. It's very aggressive looking, though. Wow, that is cool. That is definitely cool. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. All right, the Mustang, the Mazda Fury, the Datsun were obviously the highlights cars from Mystery Models 3, but let me know, is there another one in here that maybe you guys like? I think the one that I like the most for paint job was this one right here. I love the color and the glossy paint job look to it. And even the first one, the Cruise Bruiser, that one's pretty neat. It's an interesting casting. All right, guys, comment down below. What's your favorite casting of Mystery Models 3? And I will catch you guys on the next video right after you hit that thumbs up. Thank you, guys. See you later. Bye-bye.